This is the keyboard that I pull out from the storage. I do have a legs for it, but I believe I still have it, but I put it somewhere. I couldn't find it right now. One of the lock is broken, I think. I don't know if it can be fixed, but this one still working. So I have to tie up the keyboard by a wire. Okay, now I'm going to open it. This is it. This is beauty. Let me show you around first. It's a little broken over here. Very smooth. Very smooth. The volume knobs. The ribbon is nice, very nice condition. Overall, the keyboard is in really nice condition. Something going on right here. A little scratch. Sticky key over here. Other than that, all the keys seem to be working. Okay, I'm going to plug in the power. Okay, now that I connect all the power, okay, now I'm going to turn it on for the first time. See the power. Okay, here's the bad news. I try to turn on, but I don't see the power. And I try to lift up the panel. This is the inside. Okay, you can take a look inside. I don't believe I missing something. And the power supply is loose. It fell out. I don't know for what reason, but no sign of rat. Is everything looks good. If you can come take a look, I will let you check it out. Open it. Yeah, everything looks fine to me, and it's just it needs works, and It needs somebody with skill to fix it. I don't know. I'm not going to try to mess with it. Um, yeah, for some reason, the power supply is heavy and it fell out. It's, the contact is broken. You can see that. Yeah, it fell out. It needs to be reseat. Okay, and from now on, it's probably because I stored it standing. That's why it fell out. And some cable is not at the right place, I guess. Like this one. Okay, so it's up to you to decide. If you want to come take a look, you are very welcome to. Okay, uh, I'm very busy at the moment, so I'm not going to do a research and fix it myself. So if you look at the keyboard and you think you can restore it or have somebody restore it, you are welcome to come and check it out. Okay, thank you, and I'm going to close it. Okay, just like that, just like that. Out. Okay, it could be a very nice CX60. I don't know. Thank you. Bye bye.